Hi everyone, this is Helene Gabrielle, and today, if any of you have one of these locks, it's the Kwikset SmartCode 915. Today we're going to talk about how we can replace the batteries on that lock. At any given point, if you have one of these, you're going to start to hear it beeping when the batteries need to be replaced. If you look at your lock, you are going to see that there are two screws located on each side. There's one over here and then the other one over there. And once you've done that, you remove this part right here, and then you're going to see here on top, there's a part that you can actually just lift up. And that's where your battery pack is. And you just replace your batteries, and when you're done, you just put it back in, you put your lock back on, and you put your screws back in. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more tips, I encourage you to click subscribe down at the bottom and like this video. Thank you.